Stop starting motivational YouTube Shorts channels like this one. The reality is they won't get monetized. And even if they do, it's only a matter of days, or maybe weeks, before you receive a demonetization notice from YouTube, just like this one. You see, I started such a channel myself, and after racking up 10 million views in 90 days, I hit my first roadblock. Yes, I applied for the YouTube Partner Program, but I got turned down. Why? Because I was essentially re-uploading other people's content, so these videos didn't comply with YouTube Shorts monetization policies. But what if I told you there's a simple way to create motivational shorts and reels that get millions of views and can actually be monetized? In fact, this method is brand new, and only a handful of channels are already taking advantage of it. And guess what? Their videos are getting millions of views, and they only started about 2 to 3 months ago. Here's an example, a channel that's gained over 30,000 subscribers in just 3 months, with one video breaking 2 million views. In fact, they posted a video about 3 days ago that's already racked up over 100,000 views. This shows just how easy it is to quickly blow up on YouTube and start making money with shorts like these. And no, this isn't your typical motivational YouTube short. These folks are doing something entirely different and fresh. It's pure genius. Let me explain. Instead of just posting standard motivational shorts, these channels transform motivational speeches into engaging short stories using AI. This way, the YouTube Shorts algorithm perceives their content as unique and quickly pushes it to a broader audience. That's why their videos keep amassing millions of views. Let's play one of the videos so you can see what I mean.
3. You hang out with people who share your values and ambitions. Number 4. You don't enjoy playing video games or scrolling reels anymore, but instead you spend time working out.
Get the idea now. So stay with me, because in this video, I'm going to walk you through the complete step-by-step process of creating these types of videos using only ChatGPT and Capcut. And if you stick around until the end, I'll reveal the secret these creators use to ensure every single one of their videos goes viral once uploaded. So you can apply it too and start getting millions of views on your shorts. Are you ready? Let's dive in. So to create these kinds of shorts, we'll be using 2 tools. First is ChatGPT, which we'll use to generate the script for our video. Now, pay close attention because there are 2 approaches to this, the easy way and the more complex way. Since I want to keep things simple for you, my viewers, let's go with the easy way. Here, you'll get the idea for your script from one of the videos on these motivational channels. However, you don't have to do this all on your own, as I've prepared the prompt for you in the Google Doc linked below. So essentially, what we're telling ChatGPT in this prompt is that we'll provide it with a transcript from a motivational video, and we want it to generate 5 similar ideas for our own video. After entering the prompt, you'll receive a list of motivational video scripts written like stories. Once you have that, let's move to the next step. Now, we want to turn the script into a voiceover. For this, we'll be using a text-to-speech website called 11 Labs. In case you're not familiar, this website takes your scripts and converts them into spoken voices. To use it, just copy your script from ChatGPT and then paste it into 11 Labs. Next, you'll want to select a voice. I suggest using a deep voice like Adam or Marcus, as I've found these to be perfect for these types of videos. You can listen to the voices one by one if you want to find something that fits even better. Once you're done with that, click on Generate, and in just a few seconds, your voiceover will be ready. Then, download it. With that done, let's move on to the next step, getting stock footage. You see, if you really want videos that will quickly go viral, you need to use compelling visuals, just like the channels I showed you earlier. I mean, you want to search for something that exudes success. For instance, supercars, vacation lifestyles, or even luxury homes, so your viewers get hooked. So what you'll want to do now is head over to Pexels and then search for supercars. Click on videos, browse through, and then download 3 to 5 different clips that you find cool. Next, search again, this time for luxury homes. Select videos and download another 3 to 5 clips. You'll want to do the same for vacation footage too. Now that you have your stock footage and your voiceover, the next step is to weave them all together into a single video. For this, you can use any editing software you prefer, but as promised, I'll be using Capcut. Once you're in Capcut, first import your files, including the footage and voiceover. Start by dragging your voiceover onto the timeline and then follow it with the stock footage. Next, change the aspect ratio of the video to 9:16 since we're creating YouTube Shorts. Once that's done, now you'll want to make some adjustments to the footage. Since people who watch YouTube Shorts have very short attention spans, you'll want to quickly transition between your footage. So I recommend setting them to display for a maximum of 5 seconds each. To do this, click on the first clip and reduce the duration to 3 to 5 seconds. Then click on the next one and reduce it to 3 or 5 seconds as well. Continue doing this for all the clips until the end of the video. Now, we need to make sure this footage fits the screen properly. To do this, click on the first video and drag its corners until it fits the screen perfectly. just like that. Feel free to move the video around to ensure you capture the best shot. All right, looking good so far. Next, an important step is to reduce the brightness to bring out that dark, motivational vibe. To do this, go to the Adjustment tab at the top left corner and click on the plus sign. Now, stretch it across the whole video. Next, lower the saturation to around -50 and brightness to about -11. Let's quickly play through to see how the colors look. Wow, it's looking awesome so far. Once you've done that, you'll want to add transitions. For this, I recommend the fade out transition. Just click on where it says transition, then find the fade out transition. It looks something like this, then add it to all the clips one by one. Now, to make the video look even cooler, apply some effects as well. Just head to the effects section right here and start browsing through them. Once you find something you like, just click on the effect and drag it onto the timeline, then adjust it to match the length of each clip. Try to apply at least one effect to each clip. Once that's done, the next step is to add text. For this, we'll be using a feature called Auto Caption in Capcut. Just head over to the text area, click on Auto Caption, and then Create. In just a few seconds, your captions will be ready. Now, you'll want to edit them to make them look more appealing. To do this, click on the template option in the top right corner, then browse through and select the template that suits your video best. You can also tweak the color, play with the sizing, and maybe change the fonts to make it look even better. With all that done, your video is now ready. But wait, what about background music? You see, I could suggest using music from Pixabay, but I promised at the start of this video to show you exactly how to go viral with these types of shorts. So here's the secret. We'll be using music directly from YouTube. You see, just like TikTok, YouTube Shorts prefers videos that use trending music on the platform. So just head back to Capcut, export the video as is, and then when uploading it on YouTube Shorts, click on the sounds option and make sure to choose some cool background music from the sounds recommended for you, and then use it. Don't forget to lower the volume before posting it. This way, your shorts are set up perfectly for virality. Now let's check out what we just created.
7 steps to becoming unstoppable. When you speak, focus on the reflection in the other person's eyes. It projects authority. Give others your undivided attention. When you speak, demand theirs. In moments of tension, stay calm. Clear thinking wins every time. If insulted, don't flinch. Hold their gaze. They'll realize you're unfazed. Smile more with your eyes than your lips. It's a subtle display of confidence. Never rush your response. A thoughtful pause shows control. Walk with your head held high and back straight. It signals confidence. Comment with if you've made it this far.
If you enjoyed this, make sure to smash that like button and subscribe to the channel.